The parking lot is a functional module mainly used to simulate on-street parking spaces and parking stations on roads. The current parking lot module includes the following functions: setting up parking area, parking decision point, create parking decision route, delete parking decision route, and configuring parking time distribution. In the parking editing function, you can configure parking lot parameters. The parking lot position options include within the lane, left side of lane, and right side of lane, which are used to set up on-street and off-street parking. Multiple arrangement modes are also configurable, including parallel, vertical, inclined, and more. Meanwhile, 4 types of park searching strategy are available for configuration: random parking, uniform parking, sequential parking, and preference attraction. Parking lot specification is also editable, including lot type, lot count, lot length, and lot width. You can also add or remove the parameter settings for parking lot specifications. Parking editing also includes the configuration of parking motion parameters, such as blocking time distribution, parking speed, parking gap accepted, and parking mode to set whether vehicles park by backing in or driving forward. In addition, there are operational parameters including attraction, operation time, cost, and more. The parking time distribution settings function allows you to configure the parameter composition of parking time distribution for each vehicle type. The default settings include car, coach, and other vehicle types. Users can add or remove parameter compositions as needed, and edit existing ones by adding new time and ratio values. The final parking ratio will be calculated through normalization based on the configured composition details. Parking decision point and create parking decision route are used to set vehicle parking routes. Multiple parking routes can be configured and associated with different static routes. The current parking allocation panel displays all parking routes associated with static routes. You can configure the vehicle type, parking ratio, stop time, and if full action for each parking route. Meanwhile, you can click the plus sign in the action panel to add new settings for the corresponding parking route. Click the minus sign in the action panel to delete the current settings.